Ito.
Ay! Isa lang.
Yeah.
Malay apat na talong.
You want that?
Yeah. Good, eh?
Clover?
Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. You guys from Philippines?
Yeah.
Whereabouts in the Philippines are you from?
Manila?
Manila.
Mahirap na makarinig ng English eh. Nandito na nga tayo dito, English pa yung marinig sa kanila.
Ay, kanin?
Can I pay for you, brother? I'll pay for you. And how much was yours?
Oh, why? Why you pay?
This is what I do. I go around and give back to people and
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
yeah, I love to help you out. Yours is $5, eh? Yeah. Is it
No,
done?
we have more.
Oh, is there more? Yeah, go again. It's all good. Taga saan kayo sa Pinas?
Ay, taga. Pangasinan.
Pangasinan,
Yeah.
Pangalatok.
Yeah.
Marunong ka? Astig.
You're content creator, ah? Where's the camera?
Ito.
Ay!
Kala mo ha? Akala mo ha?
Wala na.
Okay lang ba?
Okay lang.
Oh, sige.
I will share the video.
Ay, sige po. I'm not Filipino as you can see. So I'm Islander, but I can speak a little bit of Tagalog. So. Pasensya ha.
Don't edit ha. Just panoorin namin.
Ay, sige ito. Ayan.
Shout out sa Pilipinas.
Yan. Kilala niyo ba si Eruption?
Yeah, eruption.
Tito ko yan. Yeah, tito ko yan.
Tito niya si Eruption. Si Ting 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 Tang.
Oh, yung...
Tito niya
Basta malaki yung...
Parang
Oo.
ganito din na...
Pero mas ano siya sa akin. Mas malaki siya. Ito pa. Ito.
Hindi na.
Oh, sige.
Hindi.
Sige. Sige.
Really?
Yeah.
Kasin mo si Eruption?
That's my uncle. I used to live there for 2 years. Naging missionary ako sa
Kaya doon ka na natuto.
Yeah.
Oh, sige
Thank you, bro.
Nice to meet you Ingat kayo
My first time to...
Oh, wala nga naman.